What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of work on the Supra, a little bit of work on the Crown, because we are going to be trying to revive, bring back the plastic trims on my mirrors on the Crown, because the inside, like black plastic, is a little bit sun faded as it gets like that, and on the windscreen cowl of the Supra. Now, that piece is the only piece on the Supra that I'm not happy with. The car is looking incredible. It's just that we tried to get the black back on that, and it didn't really come back. We tried like a couple of little things, didn't work, but I have been shown a product, which I'll show you in a second, that I used on the BMW and it came up like crazy. So it's actually autoglym's, what is it, bumper and trim gel. So I thought this was gonna be like a cream kind of thing. It's not, it's like a clear gel. You put it on, leave it for a little bit, it's almost like it soaks in, and you just wipe off the excess, and man, the results are crazy. They are so crazy. I had to make a complete video on this, and you guys are gonna check it out and you're gonna be like, you won't even respond. You're just gonna drive straight to your local auto parts store and grab some of this. It's nuts. So I don't wanna hold you up too long. I wanna jump in and I wanna show you guys exactly how this works. I'll show you on the Supra and the Crown like what they look like now, do a little progress of doing the Supra. You're gonna be blown away. Genuinely, you're gonna be blown away. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything. This channel has no sponsors yet. This is literally just me trying out products because I need to do some things and seeing some results. And when I'm blown away, like, I'm bringing it to you guys. So let's jump in and have a bit of a play. Now I want to get some light on this so you guys can actually see, but see how grey it is? It's not broken or anything, it's not like damaged, it's just sun faded. And over here, so we repainted the windscreen wiper like arms, so you can see that's black and that's grey, obviously. And just with the rag that had a little bit of excess, I did on this corner, and you can see the difference. And I did that like, I don't know, a week ago. And that was, yeah, just literally the excess. I didn't do it properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift the bonnet, get in, and just do the whole thing, put it on nice and thick. You just literally shake the bottle, dab it onto the cloth, and go at it. You can, it does say on there, you can use like a brush, like a paintbrush on some areas, but I don't think I'm gonna need that here. It's just a little bit of time with a rag. But also, the inside of here, you can see, is a little bit grey as well. It's not as bad, but I do want to get in there and do the same on here just to freshen that up a little bit. So let's get some little time lapse happening on the Supra. Now, one of the boys asked for me to try it out on some rubber. So this is some rubber. This is like one of the trim seals for the Supra's bonnet. This is one of the boys in the Letterlegion Facebook page. If you want to jump on, show us your cars, jump in. Now, got a little bit on the rag. You can see the difference already, and that's actually like a bit of a, you know, half-assed try for me, but I'll go through and I'll give this a proper wipe down with it all, and it comes up great. Comes up absolutely amazing. And there you go. Literally come up like new. Now, I am gonna just like leave this for a minute, let it kind of soak in a bit, and then wipe off any excess, but it is gonna stay looking like that. Gives it like a satin finish. All right, and here's the results. So as you can see, ooh, looks so much better. Looks way better. Now, what I'm actually going to do, so what I did is I actually used a paintbrush on there. Turning that light off makes it way better. There you go, you can see it properly now. Sorry about that. Now, what I'm gonna do is in areas like here, I'm actually gonna go over it again in a few days, because it seems, I noticed that the first time it comes up really good, and then the second time, it's like the little bits that needed a bit more moisture to soak in, just grab that last little bit. So, I mean, you can go once if you want, and you can see it looks a million times better than it did. It looked all gray and faded and horrible. It stays looking like this, I don't know, I would say for months, but the stuff is like 22 bucks Australian. So, you know, in pounds, it's like 10 pound. It's great, it's really, really good. Now, I actually haven't put that rubber seal back in here, the one that's over there, purely, you can see it hanging up, purely because some of the clips are broken. I'm just gonna jump online, order some new clips, and then I can pop it in all perfect again. But guys, look at that, and have a look over here.
you can see there, I haven't wiped this bit down, you can see, see there's like a bit of shine there, that's actually a little bit of excess, and then the bit that's matte is a bit that's actually finished and you know, soaked in. So, I mean, it comes up like brand new. I am absolutely wrapped. Guys, you gotta get around this. Like, if you got some sun-faded plastic, grab this stuff. Let me give you a little example, right? This rag is just the rag that I've been using, so it's really soaked in. Like I said, I did use a paintbrush. I'm not sure if I actually said. I used a paintbrush in there because it was quite fiddly. So you just dip it in the bottle, dip it around, get it nice and thick, leave it 10 minutes to soak in, and she's sweet. But look at the difference between that little section, which I just touched, and this section, right? You can see how much that's already working. And this is just like the excess on the rag. I'm not even putting stuff on this. It does say it can touch your paintwork, so don't worry about that. You just wipe it off. But look at that. And you know, I know, like, you know, we could put Armor All on or whatever. Sorry, Armor All, don't mean to, like, you know, throw you under the bus. But you know how you put it on and then like a day later it's gone, it's dried? This isn't like that, this lasts. I put it on the beamer and then I went back to my storage container like a week later and it's still just as brand new looking. Look at that. That to that, and it's gonna stay like that. Oh man, so good. Even if in say 3 weeks, that comes a bit drier, you just wipe it again. I mean, I'm absolutely shocked by how good this is. I'm stoked. I'm really stoked, guys. I really want you guys to get on this because I was gonna go and buy like a new cowl. I was gonna look at the mirror fittings for the beamer, the mirror fittings for the crown, stuff like that. This stuff has just revitalized all that and saved me a lot of money. And that means more money towards the engine conversion. Loving it. All right, guys, so that's it for the video today. I just wanted to bring to you guys this product because whenever I find a product that I'm really impressed with, I want to show you guys because it can save you a lot of money. And also it can just make your car look a lot better. Like obviously that's been looking terrible for like a long time, but a whole year now because the car's been painted a whole year. And every time I drive, I see it and it bugs me. So now it looks like $1 million bucks. It looks like new again. Like you saw, some of the little areas need a little bit more. I probably went a little bit thin with it. So what I'm recommending to you guys is kind of lather it on fairly thick, leave it for a little bit to kind of soak into the plastic, settle, and then you just wipe off that excess and it comes up like new. Like jump on my Instagram, it's like links in the description, you'll see the Beamer and you'll see how like good that looks. If you've seen the everything wrong with the BMW video, you'll see how faded it was, and this has brought it back to amazing. So I hope it helps you guys. I hope you can get some value out of this. And yeah, 22 Aussie dollars for the whole bottle. Oh man, perfect. But guys, hope you enjoyed. If you like, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.